Hi, my name is Dr. Kevin Gendreau, and this is the story of how I lost 125 pounds with intermittent fasting and a whole food diet.
Kevin Gendreau is a resident doctor from Massachusetts. His sister passed away due to ovarian cancer, and that's what triggered him to take some action regarding his own health. He weighed 150 kilograms and is 5 feet 9 inches tall. He dealt with metabolic diseases like high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, and diabetes. In August 2016, he started his journey towards good health. He eliminated all the junk from his diet and lost a few kilos. But then, he reached a plateau. A few more efforts resulted in a little more weight loss. He followed the 16:8 plan. It helped him lose around 30 kilos and achieve his healthy body weight. He works out daily and eats healthy. Intermittent fasting is not another fad diet. It is related to the intervals at which a person eats. It means consuming your meals at particular times so as to make the most out of them. Intermittent fasting focuses more on when you eat rather than what you eat. It is a technique in which you don't need to cut down on your calorie intake. There are a few fasting patterns that you can choose from. You can gradually try all of them, but stick to the one you are most comfortable with. The technique that makes you feel healthy and energetic is the one for you. The first technique is 16:8 diet plan. This is known as Lingane's diet plan, and some people call it the 16:8 diet plan. It comprises an 8-hour of eating period followed by a 16-hour fast period. You can choose the time of your eating period and fasting period. You can keep 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. as the eating period and the rest as fasting period. The second technique is 5:2 diet plan. In this plan, you maintain your normal diet for 5 days of the week and restrict your diet to 500 to 600 calories for 2 days. It is also known as fast diet. On the fast days, it is advised that females consume 500 kilocalories and males consume 600 kilocalories in a day. The third technique is weekly intermittent fasting plan. It involves keeping fast once a week. If once a week also seems like a challenge, then start by keeping a fast once a month. You can gradually increase the number of days that you observe fast. It does not lead to a quick weight loss, but it has other benefits that work well for your body. There are some common symptoms experienced when you start intermittent fasting. When you start with intermittent fasting, there are a few changes that you may see in your body. This is because your body needs some time to adjust to the new pattern of eating. The first symptom is weakness. Some people may experience fatigue when they first start fasting. In the initial days, it may be normal to experience this. But this should subside within a week. If you continue to feel tired, then you may be doing it wrong. The second symptom is constipation. Due to calorie restriction, you may experience constipation. Remember that in this case, you need to add more whole grains and fiber-rich foods in your diet and drink plenty of water. The third symptom is headache. Not having food can dehydrate your body. Always remember, when you fast, it is very important that you drink plenty of water. This will prevent headaches. The fourth symptom is increased urination. Since you are compensating the food with water, you may experience increased urination. You do not need to worry about it, as your body will flush out toxins and gradually will get used to it. The fifth symptom is irritability and restlessness. When you restrict food, the blood sugar levels drop. You may feel irritable and restless. You can deal with this by relaxing and calming down. Distract yourself in such situations. Apart from this, intermittent fasting has many benefits also. Intermittent fasting helps to maintain muscle mass. Intermittent fasting keeps your muscle mass intact while you continue to lose weight. Intermittent fasting reduces risk of cancer. A few studies have shown a positive correlation between cancer and fasting. Fasting before chemotherapy sessions brings down the intensity of the associated side effects. Intermittent fasting helps an individual to have a longer lifespan. Studies have proved that starvation leads to a longer lifespan. The body activates several mechanisms that extend your life. So now we conclude that all we have to do is experiment. If you cannot control your hunger, then do not do so forcibly. Break the fast and try again. If you experience any kind of weakness, then go back to your normal way of eating. Thanks for watching. For more health related videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to not miss any updates from Healthmania Circle.